Yes, hello everyone. My name is Oboe Lawrence. I'm going to take you step by step on Excel errors, the different type of errors in Excel. Number one error is called the number one error in Excel is called as div. This as div in Excel, it is when you try to put a number, you want to divide it by number, but when there is a zero, so you get that problem. You will get this problem, which is for number one. Then the number two error, it is called as value. This is a situation whereby instead of putting a figure, you put a letter, so you will end up getting that mistake. What you do, you have to remove the figure. Instead, you put the what? You put the zero. Then there's also another error which is called name error. Yeah, this is a situation where what you are putting in a formula, you are misspelling it, so you will get that problem. That one is a third error. Then the fourth error is called as ref. Here the reference is invalid. Those are the errors which you will come across when you are using Excel, so you have to be very careful. Then there is also another error which is called as N. This is a situation where the formula cannot recognize what you are doing, then that problem will come up. Yeah, I think I can only talk on those few problems. Remember to like my video. Thanks.